Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make canelés. Start by pouring 500 millilitres of milk into a pot. Add in 1 vanilla bean and give it a mix whilst heating on the stove. Now add in 25 grams of butter. Melt that in. Turn the heat off. Pop that aside and in a mixing bowl whisk together 3 eggs. Add in 250 grams of sugar. Lovely. Now add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 250 millilitres of rum or flavouring of your choice. Then sift in 125 grams of flour. Mix it all together and pour in your vanilla milk. Adding a little bit at a time. Brilliant. Cover that in some cling wrap and refrigerate for 24 hours. Then we can pour it through a sieve into a new bowl. So we take out any of the vanilla pieces, any lumps. There. Now chill that at room temperature and get your moulds. We're going to butter the inside of our moulds, which are very deep, floury shaped moulds. Then pour in your mixture, almost to the top of each one. Then bake those at 220 degrees for 15 minutes. And then again at 180 degrees for 50 minutes. And they're ready. Ready to enjoy. Yum!